This is... not sure.
Not sure. We're not sure about
not
everything
sure now.
we bought.
Yeah.
Ako, I wanna get clothes, a bag, and a pair of boots.
You got a jacket.
Yeah, of course. A new coat. Ito, sausages. You know one of the things I wake up for in Japan? Family Mart. This is not a joke. How about egg? Convenience stores in Japan are really top-notch. Huge variety of good quality, affordable meals, and really strange things to see as well. Anong kakainin mo dyan?
Something here. Let me get something here.
Maybe this one. This looks quite good. Oh, wow. If that doesn't sound appealing to you, you can always go to other takeout stores like Kitchen Origin. You can opt for a bento or choose your own meal and pay by the weight. We got this for 450 yen. It's, I think, pork.
That's chicken.
Chicken. With, I don't know what sauce it is. And this squid. This squid looks like pork and tofu. 370 yen. Bango. I'm only doing this with one hand. Look. I'm gonna taste the tofu first. Oh, ang sarap. Next thing I wanna try is this. Let's see if it's actually squid. Pero this one is darker than the rest. Para siyang tuwalya. Ito, parang pork. I think it's pork skin. Look at it.
Could be, I guess.
No, it's actually seafood.
It's squid nga.
It's probably like the upper part of the squid.
Yeah.
Yan.
This is... not sure.
Not sure. We're not sure about
I'm not
everything
sure now.
we bought.
Yeah.
Chicken. But the sauce. What kind of sauce is it? It's like
It's
barbecue.
actually kind of Korean.
I was looking at it and I saw sesame seeds and I thought parang Korean nga. After that hearty breakfast, we got the energy to head out to see more of the city. And of course, find a coat for me in a place renowned for its unique fashion scene, Harajuku. All that walking really made me feel some rumbling in my tummy. Good thing there are a lot of food stalls in Harajuku. A definite must-try would be Kina Torikara golden fried chicken.
Yeah.
Go.
What's that?
It's powder.
Oh my god, it's powder. No, oh, it's flavor.
It's salt. It's salt.
Get another one. Is it really salt?
Kaya wala sabi ko, ba't parang ano siya?
Yan. That's like the sauce. If you happen to spend a late night in Shibuya, one of the things worth experiencing is having good sushi, and Genki Sushi is the place to be. They not only serve fresh, delicious sushi, but they do so in such an entertaining way. You basically input your order in the monitor and wait for your sushi train to come. It's a really novel experience. To finish off our evening, we had to see for ourselves the famous Shibuya crossing. They say it's the busiest intersection in the world, but strangely, I find that there is something magical about it. Moving at the same time and crossing paths with strangers. Life is somehow like that, don't you think?